I am going to try and fix this PS3 controller and try and sell it. Problem with it, plug it in and it will not charge. So we need to open it up and check the battery. Let's get it apart, let's plug it in. Let's do all the things we need to do to check it. But before all of that, I think it needs a clean. I mean, that's pretty bad. So let's get on with that first and foremost. I'm cleaning with isopropyl alcohol. Yum yum. Oh, look at that, that's come up lovely already. I wonder if you can convert these to USB-C. Well, I suppose that's okay as a surface clean. I need to get in deeper. There's some real dirt in these grooves. Okay. Now I wanted to test whether this charges, but my little device here is only USB-C, which obviously isn't going to go in there. So I need some kind of adapter so I can test the voltage. Let's see what I've got. So I've run into a bit of a problem. My overhead camera, this is the bracket that holds the camera in place, and it's snapped off and it's just spinning. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that. So I'm going to have to film at this low angle. Hopefully I will capture everything I'm doing. Right, so the first thing we need to do is plug this in, just to see if we get any charging lights. I know we don't, but for the purposes of this video, I think I should do it. Just plug that in there. Those horrible old USB ports. I've got my power bench here. I'm just going to plug it into there and see what we get. Right, okay. That is plugged in. Power going to it. As you can see, no lights are coming on. Press buttons. Nothing. Nothing at all. So let's crack it open. On the back we have what looks like 5 screws, and if I put the light on it, let's see what's in there. They are Phillips crossheads. They're quite small, but let's try anyway. Here we go. It's me! How does this come apart? Oh, relatively easy by the looks of things. What we got inside here? The pins for charging are fine, and here's the battery. So let's pop that off. Where's my Pete tongs? It doesn't want me to. What's holding that in? Is it clipped underneath? Oh no, maybe it's a clip on top. Right, let's bring the big guns out. Oh Jesus, I'm going to make this worse. What am I doing? Oh jeez, it doesn't want to come out. I don't think I should be forcing it. What's hindering it? Maybe if I just pop this beige clip up on top, it should just pop out. Is it? Clips either side, that side. Holding that in. Oh, this is a nightmare, man. Yeah, it is coming. It has moved out slightly. Blimey. Basically I put these prongs into those two holes and managed to push it out. Good, right, let's pop that over there. You go over there with the buttons and whatever that thing is. Volts, DC. And can I position that so you can see it? Yeah, that looks right about there, doesn't it? And then it falls over. Jolly good. Prop something underneath. Why won't the lights stay on longer? I hate that. On all multimeters they do that. Should be able to just keep it on. That looks dead, baby. I thought I had 1 volt at one point, but it would seem not. Oh, get on there, will you? Sorry, it's gone out the light. It's dropping the voltage as soon as I put these pins on. Right, okay, so I'm going to attempt to boost this battery up, and unfortunately I haven't got any connectors to go in here. So what I've decided to do is use these SIM extractors and pop them in to each of those holes. I've got one here and I've got one here. This is a proper bodge, and I really don't recommend doing this because it's super dangerous, even though the voltage I'm going to be putting into it is only 3.5 volts. It's not going to hurt you really, but so have now is those. I'll put this in between here so they don't touch one another. Okay, so we're going to put this on the negative. And where's my positive gone? Here's the positive. Okay, and on with the positive. Okay, is that still in? That's come off. Right, let's turn the power supply on. I've already preset it to 3.7 volts. Held it. Yeah, 3.7, lovely. Okay, so that's charging. This is no, not hold. Hold for the light. Hold for the light. Hold the bells. Right. Plus, minus. Why is that only 3.9? Go further down. Oh, that's going up. Did you see that? It is going up. I'm going to leave that to do its charging, and we'll come back in a couple of hours. Let's see how it's doing. $3.7. Yes, baby. That is charged. Happy days. Turn off the power supply. Give this a clean. And then we're good to go, baby. Good to go. One brush. One isopropyl alcohol. pour alcohol into lid. Pop on tray. Dip brush in tray. Clean, baby, clean. Now then, let's pop this battery back in and test. Yep, there we go. I think I got it. Yes, that's in. That is in. Oh, is there a clip there? Does that hold it in place? Looks like that goes in there. Possibly. Lights! We've got lights! Yeah, baby! Yeah! Yeah, that's it. Okay. Right, let's get the screws in. And there we go, all cleaned. So let's plug it in and test for the moment of truth. Now let's get it on eBay and make some cash.
Bye bye. Bye, have a great time. Okay, bye now.